Hi everyone, Sir Evan here. For today, we will try to learn how to post to multiple channels. First, we type our message in any channel. Then select Format. It's the A symbol below. Here, we select the type of message we want, either conversation or announcement. So let's try announcement. Type in any title that you prefer. Select who you want to reply. You can select everyone, or you can select this to minimize the channel noise. For the meantime, let's select everyone. Click post to multiple channels. Then now, select the channels where we want to post the announcement. Just tick the channel you prefer. Then we click update. Then send. As you can see, the announcement has already been posted to other channels. Hit like guys to help me out, and share this video to those who might need it. And also click subscribe for you to be updated in upcoming videos like this one.